Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. This saves time and prevents errors. First, power on the Denon and select its Bluetooth input, or press the BT button on the remote. Make sure your source device has Bluetooth enabled and is discoverable. Keep the devices close, within 3 to 10 meters, and disable other active Bluetooth connections so pairing is clean. Once done, the receiver will be ready to search, and you can move to initiating pairing on the source. Now you pair and establish the link. On your phone or tablet, scan for nearby Bluetooth devices and choose the Denon listing, often labeled with Denon and part of the model name. Tap to connect, accept any prompts, and wait for a confirmation tone or a stable Bluetooth LED on the receiver. If asked for a PIN, enter 4 zeros or 1234. Some models use a different code, so check the manual. Once paired, stream audio and adjust the volume on both. To finish, set the receiver's input volume and then start playback on your source, because volume control may be split between devices. Make sure Auto Connect or Last Device Reconnection is enabled if you plan frequent use. If anything goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Power cycle the receiver and phone, delete old pairings on both devices, and retry the pairing sequence. If persistent problems remain, update firmware and factory reset Bluetooth settings. This cleans pairing tables and usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.